Hello nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about Git branches. So before jumping into the branch explanation, let me explain what we are going to learn in this video. So this is my Git repo, and here you will see there is one link called one branch. So let's click on that. So currently there is only one branch, which is the default one, and it is a main branch. So main branch is kind of a final version of your software or application or your Git repo. And then let's say you want to add a new feature in your software or your Git repo using new code. So it is not ideal to work directly inside the main branch, because this is your final version of your software. So in that case, we have to create a new branch so that uh, your final version of your repo will remain as it is, and the new feature will be added into the new branch. So what is branch? Branch is kind of a different version of your Git repo, as I had explained in few seconds ago, that if you are going to work on new feature, then you can work on your new branch instead of the main branch. So yeah, so it is kind of different version of your Git repo. Then when and why you need to create a branch? So whenever you are going to work on a new feature, you create a new branch. That's the ideal situation, or the best practice you can say, so that you have everything inside your separate branch. And why to create branch? So the reason for creating branch is not to interfere with the current version of your repo before finalizing the new feature, and also it is for not to interfere with other developers code which might be working on some other feature for the same repo. So this is the purpose of creating branch. Now this is the main question, where to create branch. So for example, you have multiple branches. One is the main is the default branch, final version of your application or software, anything. Then someone is working on feature A, another one is working on feature B and feature C. All these three branches are inherited from the main branch. That means it is created from the main branch. And let's say you want to extend the feature A. In that case, you have to create a new branch from feature A. Otherwise, you have to create branch from the main branch itself. Yeah, if you are working on something dependent on another branch, then you have to create branch from that particular branch. Yeah, I hope I am not confusing, but in short, create a branch from that branch from which you want to extend your feature. So now let's try to create a new branch for this repo. So this is my repo and it has only one branch. So this is very simple. So we are clear that we are going to extend this feature from this branch only. So how to create a branch? So for that, I am going to open the one file from this repo terminal. Let me clear this. So in this repo I have this file called test.php, and currently we are inside the main branch. So if I want to create a branch from main branch, first I have to be inside the main branch. So as I am on the main branch by default, I can create a new branch from this branch. So the command to create a new branch is git branch git branch m, let's say feature A. So I'm going to create a new branch called feature A. So as you can see, a new branch is created and we are now inside this branch. Let's push this branch. So now if we want to push this particular branch, we have to write git push origin and then this branch name and push it. So as you can see, our branch is pushed. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, our new branch has been added. So this is our new branch, and now let's try to add a new feature inside this branch. So now currently we are inside this branch, and if we make any changes inside this file, it will not affect to this file for this branch. Let me show you that. So let's say I'm going to add echo feature A starts, and now let's try to push this file. Git commit changes in feature A and push this. Now let's check on this. So let's refresh this. This is the main branch, and now you will see in the drop down the feature A branch as well. But let's open test.php for main branch. So as you can see, there is only this line inside the main branch, not this one, because this we added inside this feature A branch. Now let's try to change this branch. So inside feature A branch we have our new line added over here. So now you can continue working on your feature A, and then once it is finalized we can merge this with the main branch. But merging we are not going to do in this video. This video was all about how to create branch. So I hope this video is informative. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.